everyone, this is Diksha from Food Pleasure and Health, and today I'm making savory pancakes using discard from our sourdough starter. I know a lot of us are right now playing with sourdough or experimenting with sourdough starters, so I thought this would be a really good idea to use your discard sourdough batter and turn into something yummy. I have been making these pancakes for my breakfast, lunch and dinner, and it's so easy and delicious. So let's make them. Alright, so we begin by heating our pan, and I'm going to add a little oil. So while this is heating up, here is my sourdough starter, and this is almost like a pancake batter, as you can see. If you find the smell of your sourdough starter to be overwhelming, you can add a little bit of all-purpose flour or rye flour or whatever flour you're using to the mix to help mellow it out. But since we're doing savory pancakes, I really like that sourness in mine, so I'm not going to add anything today. I'm going to pour a ladleful of this batter directly into the pan and give it a nice swirl around it very gently. To that, I'm going to season with little salt, a little bit of sesame seeds, crushed red chili peppers, and I'm going to add a little bit of scallions that I'm really proud of. I've been growing these on my windowsill. They're doing really well, so just adding those on top. And again, you can just play with different spices, different herbs, use whatever you have, or you can just keep it plain with just salt and pepper. It tastes really good. So this will take maybe a couple more minutes. Adjust the heat if you need it. You don't want it too high because it's going to burn really fast, but you don't want it too low either. So keep it on like a medium high. Then go ahead and simply flip it and give that another like 2 or 3 minutes until it's like golden brown almost. So you can see how the sesame seeds starting to move a little bit brown, the scallions are a little bit toasted, and it's already smelling really good here. Alright, so the pancakes are ready. One last thing left to do is to eat them, so while it's still hot. So you can serve these pancakes by itself with your favorite sauce or chutney, but I'm doing with a little bit of chili oil today. It's really flavorful, so I'm just going to drizzle it a little bit all over and dig right in. So just take a little bite. It's really hot. Then just, that's it. Super simple, really good, and very hot. So thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!